Hi, my name is Jackson Brody. I'm a digital marketing consultant here at Matter Solutions. And one of the questions that I and many others in our SEO team get is about web hosting and how that whole process works. So today I will be giving you a run through of the basics of what web hosting is and how it works. So what exactly is web hosting? Web hosting is actually the first step that you take when you're looking to get a website on the internet. So there's these businesses that are web hosting providers, and they basically offer you a server that you can host your website on. And the server acts as a way to store all of the memory and the content of what your website actually encompasses. Setting up a server system yourself is really quite difficult. It's much easier and isn't overly expensive to just pay a professional to do it for you. So this kind of leads me on to the second question that we get quite often, which is, do I need to have a technical understanding of web hosting? The short answer is no, not really. You pay a web hosting provider to do all of the technical aspects for you. You just need to make sure that you pay your bills on time and that you give them all the information that they require. But like anything, it helps to definitely have some sort of understanding, but you don't need to have a technical understanding of how hosting works. Web service hosting providers usually offer you two main options for where your website will be stored on. So the two servers are shared servers and dedicated servers. Regardless of whether you choose shared or dedicated hosting, the actual quality of that hosting is extremely important. So good hosting is like buying land on the internet though. So if you buy terrible land in real life, when you put a house on that land, the value of the house isn't going to be as great as it could be. As far as hosting is concerned, if you buy good hosting, it means that when you put your website with that hosting, the website is going to be better because the website will likely be faster because the quality of the hosting is much higher. So if you opt for high quality hosting, it means that your user experience, so the people that visit your website, will have a better time when they're on your website. And this will actually result in a lower bounce rate. And bounce rate is how quickly people will click on or click off your website. I hope you've learned something from this video today about web hosting. We do have lots of other resources on a whole range of different topics relating to digital marketing. So I would check out our YouTube or Twitter or LinkedIn. There's a lot of resources there. Otherwise, get in contact with us. Look up Matter Solutions in Google and you'll find us.